Hey everyone, welcome back. And I got another record player, but something out of the ordinary to what I'm used to anyway. It's a Deltek solid state phonograph, model PP104A. AC and DCs, we can see there. It's even got the little whatever you call them, you know, for records that have got a hole in the middle. Okay, that's cool. Hasn't got a top, the lid's gone. I mean, looks pretty good. That's spinning anyway. What else? Oh yeah, there's the battery compartment there. I'm just going to screw to hold that in. A little bit of wear and tear. Clearly marketed for teenagers, and some scoring there. Looks like burn marks, yeah. Okay. I think I looked it up and I couldn't find this model on the net, but I did find a photo of one. Some guy had restored one, and but I did find a Deltek cassette player. I think it's on eBay. Anyway, I've got a photo of it. Just have a look. And Radio Museum lists Deltek as well. Lots of question marks on them. A couple of radios on there. One's from Singapore, the other one's from Hong Kong. And I think with question marks. So yeah, a little company that made, you know, just consumer electronics like this, you know, for the Western market. So anyway, this is how I got it, and I will look at that later. Underneath, so it's all reasonably modern, certainly, you know, not 50s, that's for sure. What have we got? Okay, motor, looks like a power transformer. I thought that was a relay, but it's not. It's a fuse, which is cool. And yeah, looking at that circuit board soldering, yeah, late 60s, you know, 70s to me. And it's a bit loose, but it's only held on by the pots there. So, okay, and what have we got? Oh, is that on-off relay switch for the tone arm. So looks like they're touching, and if I do that, it should turn it off, and the contact is broken. Okay, I'll tell you what, let's just plug it in. Oh, that was the other thing, got sidetracked. Oh, those wires, I take them to be for the batteries. So looks like 4 D-cell batteries, so 6 volts on DC. And tone arm, let's bring it in, and there is a needle there. Cool. Alright, I'll get some down there we go. I'll get some power to it. Let's just see if it works, you know, who knows. And if it doesn't, I'm honestly not going to be too fussed about it at all. Although, give it to the grandkids, I suppose. Yeah, why not? It wouldn't last long with them, that's for sure. Anyway, I'll get myself ready and we'll give it a power up. Okay, I'm ready. So, Variac on, and yep, switch is on, and pardon my arm if that gets in the way. I'll just turn it up, give it 80 volts. Nothing? No, nothing. Okay, turn it off. Let's make sure that that relay is actually touching. It's not. Okay. Power's off. See if we can just bend it a little bit. Try that. Alright. Nope, I don't think this is going to work. Ooh, okay. It's not touching properly. Tell you what. Sure. Now it's touching. Oh well, things we do. Alright, let's try it now. Oh, not enough power. Wow, so it's just spinning. So 70 volts wasn't enough for it. Oh, I think turn the volume right up. Got some scratching. Alright, I'm going to go for broke and bring it up to 200 volts. And here's a big test. Here's my copyright proof record. Oop. Speakers, yeah, of course, speakers working.
Now here's a little story, and we won't tell no lie, about our two great cities,
Oh God.
Melbourne and Sydney. We rather live in Melbourne, although it may be faulty. Sydney's got its strippers, but we've got Henry Multi. We've got our Spanish blues and Melbourne.
Okay, it works. Doesn't sound very good, but it works. I think, oh look, it's worth saving. I think so. So I'm going to get that circuit board loose, and we'll probably just change the capacitors. I can't think of anything else. See what sort of transistors are in there, and yeah, hopefully make this sound a little bit better than what it is. Right, here it is, got it out, and a lot of photos, a lot of colour coding on my on the wires, just using nail polish, so I know where everything goes. Otherwise, tomorrow I would forget. And there it is there. So I can count 4 transistors. 1, 2, 3, 4. No idea what they are. There is a little schematic inside inside the case, but they don't tell us what the transistors are. And just a bunch of electrodes. So I can easily change the electrodes. Well, sort of easily. It's not really my line of work. I don't really like doing it. But yeah, the ceramic caps, they can just stay in there. And no doubt the resistors are still okay. So I will do that. I won't do it on the video because it's going to take me ages. But I did buy this off eBay. And it's got all those caps in there, low value, and sorry, yeah, not low value, low voltage, which I thought this would come in handy for projects like this. And it saves me going to J-Car and driving all that way and, you know, paying top dollar. So at last it's come in handy. So I'll get onto this and I'll come back when I've changed those electrodes. Well, I've done most of the recapping, just one little capacitor there. Which is, I think 1 microfarad, or yeah, it is too. But I thought, hey, you know, put them all in. Let's give it a test, and I'm going to jumper it up. But before I do that, I thought, might as well use this little thing. Don't use it that much, but thought just check these old capacitors. So what's this one? 500 microfarad. Let's see if we can get an ESR reading off them, and hopefully, I mean, that bit of distortion that we heard originally was caused by the caps. So let's see what this has got to say. And I don't know if you can read it. Yeah, you can. ESR 0.67 ohms, a bit high, and reads as 562. Okay, we'll do one more. I'll pick this little one, which is 10 microfarad. And what do we get here? 64 microfarad, no ESR reading on it. I'm thinking my cap is stuffed. No, same reading. Okay, I think that one's completely, well, not completely dead, but yeah. Anyway, we'll find out. Anyway, I will, I'll jumper this in and we'll give it a test. Hopefully it still works. And if it does work, hopefully it's going to work a lot better than what it did. Okay, all jump it up. And wires everywhere. Lucky I've colour coded it all. At least I don't have to refer to my photos. Alright, let me see. Okay, my arm in the way. Yep. Anyway, turn the variac on. Give it a bit of power. Yep, turntable is spinning. Oh yeah. Sounds alright. Oh, I can hear it. The scratching, that's good. I think I just dropped something. Something's come off, maybe. Yep. I will mount this somehow and we'll put a record on there and see what it sounds like. Okay, I'm ready. So, here's my little record. 45 speed. Right. Let's turn it up. Pardon my arm if I'm in the way. Alright, that's 200 volts going into it. Oh.
Now here's a little story, and we won't tell no lie.
Bit of flutter on it.
About our two great cities, Melbourne and Sydney. We're brother living in Melbourne, although it may be faulty. Sydney's funny but in multi. We've got Australian rules and other cabbage.
Okay, apart from the jumps, tell you what, speed's not quite correct, but let's play an LP. So, cowboy music, which I always love, and get that out of the way, power up, see what this sounds like. Whoa! That sounds better. That doesn't. Nice. Off you go. Alright. Well, that works well. Well, for LPs. And, yeah, the sound is okay. What do you expect from a crappy little speaker like that? So, I'll change out, I might as well change out that last capacitor. And then I'll mount this up and see what I can do about this. I'm not sure. I might change the cartridge. But we'll check that out. Back soon. Okay, all done. Back together. And hopefully it still works. So one thing I wanted to do was just check the speed of the turntable. And I've also got that little app on my phone. So, let's turn it on. Let's see what we get. I don't know if you can read it. 35 point something or other. 35 RPM. And I definitely know, so it's still a bit fast, but still, that will do. Oh yeah.
Riding down the canyon to watch
Cool.
the sun go.
And off you go. Thank you. Alright, I know you couldn't see, but definitely 35 RPM. And I'm sure 45 speed would probably be at 47 or something. Who knows? But it's done. And there's a little Deltek. And good to save from the scrap heap. And we'll see. That'll be great for the grandkids, I think. It should last hopefully a week with them, no doubt. Anyway, excuse me. Hope you found it interesting. And thanks for watching as always. And I will see you all again very soon with probably another radio. Who knows? Okay, take care everyone. Bye-bye.